Welcome back to another workout. My name is Manny, and I will be your fitness instructor for today. Follow along as I take you through a nice and easy leg day workout. We are starting today's leg day workout by hitting the hamstrings with a hamstring curl. We are going to do 3 sets of 15 to 25 reps in every exercise in today's workout. And once you finish doing a set, rest for 60 seconds before moving on to the next set. After hitting the hamstrings, we are now moving on to an exercise that isolates the glutes, the hip abductions. We are finishing today's leg day workout off by doing an exercise that targets the quads with the leg extensions. And that concludes our workout for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more workouts in the future. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.